Finally, something good.
Yo, this high-tech stuff makes it too easy. Told you it was worth it. Okay, go, go, go. Oh, nice. We can hit like 5 more places tonight.
What's up, guys? You forget your PIN number?
Whoa, you're the Avengers! What are you guys doing here? Thor, Hulk, good to finally meet you guys.
Oh, you'd be more handsome in person. Iron Man! What are you doing robbing a bank? You're a billionaire. This feels so weird!
Whoa, what is that thing? I'm starting to think you're not the Avengers!
911, what's your emergency?
Spider-Man is fighting the Avengers in a bank on 21st Street.
All right, guys, let's wrap this up. It's school night. So how do jerks like you get tech like this?
Mr. Delmar.
Hey, Mr. Delmar, you in here? Is anybody in here? Hello?
Oh, come on. I gotta... Here.
Okay, good. Yeah.